So are you still RGP sympathizer? Do you still feel कि RGP should not shut down? मनोज आणि विरेश एकठांय येवन तांणी कितें डिफरन्सीस आसा जाल्यार सॉर्ट आउट करचे, because we feel that way. That's why I'm asking you.
See, what they have to decide about the party, it is their decision. Okay. Shutdown करपाचे डिसिजन कित्याक घेतलें तें that is up to them. I cannot tell them की तुम्ही shutdown करा, तुम्ही नवीन पार्टी क्रिएट करा, नाल्यार आनी कितें करा. It is up to them what they want to do. Okay. Shutdown, even if they shut down the party, they have an NGO. The work can still continue. But the only thing is that if you want to enter the politics, you need a party.
So do you feel that RGP should continue as NGO or as a political party?
See, from my personal experience, हांगा तुगेलो ऑफिसर कांय आयकना, तूं NGO through वच, हें वच, तें वच, कांयच आयकना. You need whatever you want to do in Goa, you need a political party to get all the details and documents and this from the assembly. So without, even if you are an activist, you should have some hand in should have some hand in the government.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.